Hey everybody, I haven't posted a video in a while, but I wanted to do an unboxing of this Mandalorian with the silver coating Beskar armor. This is one I've been waiting for a while. I definitely want to put it together, and I wanted to see what it looked like. So I figured I'd share with you guys my unboxing. So let's see. Two little plastic bands here. So you can see there, shiny chrome, more or less shiny chrome. I'm not sure if I'm gonna paint this or not, especially this one. It already has a shiny coating on it. I might do a polish on it or something like that, just to give it some more shine. I'll have to deliberate on that a little bit more. Maybe I'll color these darker colors. As far as the shiny parts, maybe I won't. I'll have to see. I gotta make up my mind. Not too bad. Oh, wait, what's this? What we got here? Oh, look at that. This is a fabric cape. Pretty nice. So it's not plastic. It can be flexible. And these standardized cards and your instruction booklet that actually I always keep, even after I make the models. I will follow these because these are just too nice, man. These are just too nice to throw out. So let's see. What kind of colors do they recommend here? Okay, so I'll have to, oh no, they do have it here. Silver, 10% clear, flat black, brown. So they give you a full color guide, just like typically all these do. So, let's see if I can, there you go. In all his glory. Look at that. So this will be fun to do. Very little decals, which is always helpful. Speeds up the process a little bit. And these are well made. I did a Stormtrooper, and I didn't even paint it. I also did R2 and the other small droid. I didn't bother painting them. They were just, you know, perfect. I mean, yeah, you could put a little wash on there and make it a little dirty and stuff. This, like I said, this I'll have to decide what I'm going to do with. So there's a bunch of steps, but these are really nice to put together, really easy. So, only thing I need is time, more time. So, all right, guys. So that's about it. The box shows you his different weapons that he has. And there's that fabric cape. I wonder if this comes with a jetpack. Yes, it does. Look at that. These are his weapons. His rifle, his spear, dark saber. Oh, look at that. Yes, it comes with a dark saber, jetpack, blaster. All right. So I will see when I get to this. Modeling time has been very limited lately, but that's okay. Just makes me be more choosy on what I put together. And I love Bandai kits because they really don't need glue most of the time, and they go together so well. So, all right, for now, that's a wrap on this one, and maybe you guys, you'll see a follow-up video when I put this together. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Until next time.